Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to import a GitHub project into Android Studio. This is a straightforward process that allows you to work on existing repositories directly in your development environment, making collaboration and project management much more efficient. First, open your web browser and navigate to github.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log in with your credentials. After logging in, you'll be directed to your GitHub homepage where you can access all your repositories and projects. Now, look over to the left panel of your GitHub interface. Here you'll find a list of your repositories. Click on the specific repository that contains the project you want to import into Android Studio. This will open up the repository page where you can view all the files, commits, and other details related to that project. On the repository page, locate the green button labeled Code near the top right section of the file list. Click on this button and a drop-down menu will appear showing several options for cloning the repository. You'll want to copy the HTTPS URL that's displayed here. This URL is essential as it tells Android Studio exactly where to fetch the project from. Go ahead and copy it to your clipboard. Since I don't have the Android Studio app available right now, I'll walk you through the next steps that you'll need to follow on your end. Once you have Android Studio open on your computer, direct your attention to the top menu bar. Click on File, then hover over New, and from the submenu that appears, select Project from Version Control. This option is specifically designed for importing projects from platforms like GitHub. A dialog box will open up asking for the repository details. In the URL field, paste the HTTPS URL you copied from GitHub earlier. This connects Android Studio directly to your GitHub repository. Below that, you'll see a field labeled Directory. This is where you'll choose or create a location on your local machine where the project files will be stored. Select an appropriate folder that's easy to access and well organized. After filling in these details, click the Clone button to begin the process. Android Studio will now start downloading all the project files from GitHub to your local directory. This might take a few moments depending on the size of the repository and your internet connection, so be patient while the download completes. Once the download finishes, Android Studio will automatically begin a Gradle sync. This is an important step that ensures all dependencies and project configurations are properly set up. During this process, you might see a prompt asking you to click OK or Sync Now. If you see these prompts, go ahead and click them to proceed. Additionally, you may be asked to check out as a new project, in which case you should select that option to finalize the import, and that's it. Your GitHub project is now successfully imported into Android Studio and ready for development. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.